Bright red kiwi, rainbow red kiwi. This is the classic green kiwi we usually eat.
こちらはグリーンキウイ。いつも食べているグリーンキウイ。こちらは福岡県産のレインボーレッドキウイ。
And this one is a new variety, the rainbow red kiwi from Fukuoka. The rainbow red kiwi is about half the size of the green one.
可愛いキウイですよね、ちっちゃくて。
The rainbow red kiwi is small, smooth-skinned, and so cute.
福岡県産レインボーレッドキウイ。実際切っていきましょう。
Enjoy perfectly ripe and sweet rainbow red kiwis, just slice and eat. When fully ripe, its sugar content can reach around 20 degrees Brix. The rainbow red kiwi, as its name suggests, has a vivid red center in its flesh.
綺麗です。
The red color is believed to come from anthocyanin pigments, the same as those found in strawberries. Rainbow red kiwis are still rare and grown in limited areas across Japan. The main production regions are Fukuoka, Yamanashi, Shizuoka, and Ehime prefectures.
Fruit Japan, please subscribe to my channel.